Presidential hopeful Dr. Donovan Bennett has dismissed the notion that he will be backtracking on his plans to challenge Wilford Billy Heaven for the top post at the Jamaica Cricket Association, and that's in March, and has reiterated that a change is needed. Dr. Bennett has lined up two notable names in local cricket to be a part of his slate.
Retreat, no surrender. Those are the sentiments of First Vice President of the Jamaica Cricket Association, Dr. Donovan Bennett, who says he will continue to deliver his plans to becoming the man in charge of the nation's cricket. Dr. Bennett has sought the involvement of two respected local administrators to support his push in overhauling the current dynamic.
I have decided on a slate, but I don't think now is the time to announce a slate. I can just tell you that obviously I'm running as president. Mr. Fitzharris will be running as first vice president, and Dr. Akshay Man Singh will be running as second vice president. But I don't want to go any further than that right now.
Fitzharris is ready to play his part, even with the optics not looking the best, seeing that he's part of the current leadership group of the JCA.
It's a matter of putting cricket ahead of everything else. The state of cricket warrants one to do an honest evaluation and to try and come up with what is best for the sport. As it stands now, some changes are necessary, and the route that we are contemplating, in our opinion, is the best way to go about getting those changes.
Suggestions are that Dr. Bennett will eventually retreat with his plans and withdraw. But as of now,
I have not had any discussion with the president about being on any slate, right? And it will be totally inconsistent for me to be challenging the president and then to be on the slate at the same time, right? So that is not going to happen. That is out of the question.
Incumbent Wilford Billy Heaven remains coy about his chances, but is willing to take on all comers.
We're looking at an election and nothing should be taken for granted. We believe that our work will speak for us. We believe that the programs that we have going forward will speak for us. But notwithstanding that, an election is what it is.
Cricket West Indies President Dr. Kishore Shallow, who was on the island recently, has reservations about the state of the cricket on the island. Dr. Shallow was not interested in announcing support for a specific candidate, but is hopeful for improvements locally.
Personally, I will speak with conviction that there's a concern from my part, and I suspect that Cricket West Indies share that concern as well. It is absolutely no secret that, and I again have the firm belief that for Cricket West Indies to be a competitive force consistently at the international level, then we need a strong, vibrant Jamaica.
Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.